564.
Hey, man.
564.
Were you at the Sphinx this morning? Yeah? Okay. So what's going to happen next? I'm going to read you Miranda, your Miranda rights. All right? Because I have a suspicion that you stole from them this morning. Okay? Then I'm going to ask you some questions. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Hey, where are you going? Hey, 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 hey.
Wherever I want.
No, you're not. Hey, hey, listen.
Please don't do that.
You don't run away from me.
I was sexually abused, and
This is nothing sexual. Do not leave me again. Do you understand?
Don't grab me.
Do not run away from me.
Do not grab me.
You want me to arrest you right here and right now?
I don't give a fuck what you do.
Okay.
Do not grab me.
Do not walk away from me or I will put hands on you.
I will respect you, and I will talk to you.
Okay, don't walk away from me.
Don't fucking grab me.
That I can't guarantee.
Don't fucking grab me.
Hey. Don't you talk to her like that.
I will talk to her
No,
anywhere
you
I
will
want.
not.
Calm down. I'm
Just
here to
calm
read
down.
you.
Do not grab me
She's
like
trying to
that.
help you.
Listen, if you walk away from me, I have every right to lay hands on you. Do not walk away from me again.
I don't give a fuck what your right is.
Stop, Sean. Don't.
Stop.
I don't give a fuck what your right
Stop with
is.
the language.
Do you understand what I'm
I
saying?
don't give a fuck what your right is.
Greenville Delta 23, I need 1041.
Sean.
I will
You're
not,
digging a hole.
I will
You're
not
digging
hurt
yourself
you.
right into a hole.
I promise you.
Okay,
I
but
will
don't
not
walk
touch
away
you.
from me.
But don't fucking touch me.
No.
Don't.
I have-
Don't fucking tell me.
Hey.
I have a right to put hands on
No,
you.
you don't.
If you walk
do not have a
away
right.
from me.
You do never have fucking.
All right,
right
listen,
to
let's go
hands
back
on
to
me.
what we're doing. I'm reading you Miranda. Are you ready?
No, I don't give a fuck what
Delta
your
23,
Miranda
Greenville 10-4.
is.
I'm 10-4, but he's very 1081. Hey, you're staying down here.
10-4.
Oh my God.
Man, please don't do this.
Greenville Delta 23, I need 1041, bro.
Stop it.
Just don't.
You're making it work on yourself.
You cannot touch me.
Sean, don't you dare.
You cannot touch me. Just don't touch me. That's all I'm asking you.
Stay right down
All I'm
here.
asking you is don't touch me.
get hurt.
Watch out.
Don't touch me.
Come back down here right now.
Don't touch me.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Listen, my partner's coming. You're gonna be under arrest. Get back down here right now.
That's fine. I can be under arrest.
Come down. Let's go. Let's go.
Please don't touch me like that.
You cannot walk away from a police officer. Let's go. Get down here.
Sean, don't get yourself in a
13,
deep
498.
mess.
Correction. 522 is close to you.
Please tell me you didn't
Don't
take
touch
any.
me.
Sean, please tell me you did not take any.
Greenville, fast, give me the call.
Dear God in heaven.
Yes, of course I did.
Greenville Delta 23, I'm 10-4. He's upstairs. I'll be waiting for my
Tell
1041.
the truth every single time.
Come down.
No, don't touch me like
Let's
that.
go. You can't walk away from a police
No,
officer,
you
John.
can't touch me like that.
Get down
Have you ever
here.
been sexually abused?
I can't answer your questions like that. But me putting hands on you to tell you not to leave is not like being sexually
Why have you ever
abused.
been sexually abused?
I cannot answer your questions like that, Sean. I was here to talk to you about one
understand
thing.
Why I why you can't touch me?
Sir, I'm a police officer.
I don't give a fuck what you
Sean,
are.
stop with that language.
You cannot touch me like that. That's all I'm asking you. And I will come to you.
Yeah, you're gonna come because there's a bunch of people coming to me right now.
That's fine.
Get down here right
That's
now.
fine.
Get down here.
Stop with your control.
Oh, dear God.
Jail's gonna be real hard on you, bud. Come down.
No.
Sean. You're making it worse. Why you make it worse on yourself? Why?
Fuck you with your control.
Sean, stop with your mouth. She was the one who tried to come and help you the first time.
No, you didn't try to help me.
Yes, we did.
No, you didn't. Nobody can touch me. If you want me to come in custody, I will.
Come down the stairs. Now.
Don't tell me what I have to do. Because I'll do whatever the fuck I want.
No, you're not, man. No, you're not. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
I'm not gonna fight you.
Turn around.
I'm not gonna fight you.
Turn around then.
I'm stronger than you.
Yeah, and if you hurt me, you're gonna be charged with that.
I don't want to hurt you.
Then come down the stairs, Sean.
I don't want to hurt you.
Come down the stairs.
Okay. Man, I don't want to hurt you.
Turn around. Turn around.
I don't want to hurt you.
Great. Turn around.
No. Sorry.
Okay. You're gonna get a resisting charge.
Why would you do that?
Because it's the law, Sean.
Just because?
Welcome to the law.
Sean, don't be
Just
so-
because you feel like it?
No,
Does it make you feel
can't be
good?
above the law, Sean. You cannot
Does it
be
make you
above
feel
the
good?
law. Don't be fresh to her. She's trying to do your job.
Do you feel powerful?
Oh, God, help us all.
No, it's not about being powerful, dude.
What is it? Tell me.
You're breaking the law, is what you're doing. Okay?
Who
And as soon
cares?
as the rest of them come in, you're going in handcuffs
Who
and you're
cares?
going to jail.
Who cares?
I'll wait as long as you're willing to wait. They're coming.
That now, when you
Okay.
sober up, you're not going to feel the same way, Sean. You're going
I'm
to know you
not.
made a big mistake.
That's okay. They can come and they can arrest me. And it won't matter.
Great. I will happily take you down to jail. That's where you can stay.
Okay. I never meant to hurt you.
Yeah, you're still not obeying, though. You're not complying. You need to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
I don't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If I hurt you, it's not who I am.
It is right now.
Well, I'm sorry.
It'd be a lot easier if you would stand up and just put your hands behind your back.
Control. You like this, huh? Is that why you got into this job?
Come on. Let's get up.
Delta 23, Delta 5, you 10-4.
Affirmative 10-4.
Resist arrest.
I'm placing you under arrest.
Listen to me.
No.
Are you gonna be mean, or you can do this nice? I'm asking you to do this.
I'm asking you to put your hands behind your back.
I'm asking you to do this nice.
Get out of the way.
I'm
Get out of the way.
asking you to do this nice.
Hey, wait.
I'm asking you to do this nice.
Let go of me. Let go of me.
I am stronger than you.
Let go of me.
I can do whatever the fuck
Let
I
go
want.
of me.
Sean, stop it. Sean, stop it. God in heaven, stop it.
Hey!
Look at me. Look at me. Stop. Look at me. Wait. Stop.
I'm asking you to
Stop.
do
Wait.
this nice.
You put your hands down.
Hey, no.
You back up. Put your hands down.
You wanna shoot me? You fucking shoot me.
Put your hands down. Do not tell me what to do.
I know. Can you wait till the
No!
other people...
Back up! Back up! Back up!
You're making it...
Back up!
Sean.
You don't
No!
touch my mother. My fucking house.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
You fucking hurt my mother. You fucking hurt my mother.
No!
Don't hurt my mother.
Back up!
You don't hurt my mother. You don't hurt my mother.
Fuck up, motherfucker. Hey, put your fucking hands up.
You want to punch me, motherfucker?
Are you alright? Are you okay?
I'm not shot.
Hey, tell him I'm with you. Sierra 24 is consent.
Greenville Adults 23. Sierra
24.
24 is 10-6. We need 1051.
Where's the gun? Does he have a gun?
No, it's my gun.
All right. Give me your cuffs. Give me your cuffs. You're all right.
Greenville 5, you copy?
Secure your gun.
Affirmative, they're
Put your gun in
taking
your
Everyone's on the way.
All right. Are you hurt?
I've been slammed to the ground.
Hey, look at your holster. Look at your holster. There you go. You're all right. Help me secure this motherfucker. He's out. Fucking piece of shit. Get his fucking hand. All right, listen. I got his hands. Put him in cuffs, okay?
Yes, sir.
You're all right.